Hi everyone, if you're interested in seeing how I did this fall DIY wreath at home in about 15 minutes, then stay tuned. So starting off, you're going to need a wreath, and I purchased this wreath from Hobby Lobby. They do come in different sizes. Next, you're going to need a initial of your choice, or if you don't want an initial, you don't have to have one. I purchased this from Hobby Lobby as well. You're also going to need some scissors and a hot glue gun to stick all of your flowers onto the wreath and the initial as well. Now with these floral arrangements, I did purchase mine from Dollar Tree. Hobby Lobby does have them as well, but they are more expensive. So if you want to go the cheaper route, you can totally go to Dollar Tree or Walmart, and they are a lot cheaper. So first thing you want to do is pretty much find the middle point of your wreath, and on half of the wreath, that's where you're going to place your flowers. Now before I choose to hot glue the flowers down, I am going to arrange them how I want them to look first, just in case I need to, change some stuff around, or I don't like how something looks. And I find that way to be a lot easier than just, hot gluing it down first, and then, you might end up not liking it. So here I'm just, putting the flowers in random places on the wreath and arranging and rearranging to my liking. So once you are satisfied with the placement of your flowers, you then want to go in with the hot glue gun and stick them down. You also want to hot glue the initial as well if you have one. So this is the finished look, and I am completely in love with the way it turned out. I feel like the colors are so vibrant, they're so pretty. I'm just so happy with the way it turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, you guys, bye.